Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Granny on your PC and laptop in 2026. So how to do this? Let's get started. You have to open Google Chrome or any web browser you like. I am using Microsoft Edge for now, and then you just have to type BlueStacks. After typing BlueStacks, just click on this download BlueStacks app player on PC, and then you have to click on download BlueStacks. Once you do this, it will download the BlueStacks installer. Then what you have to do is open the installer file. Once you open installer, here you'll see install button. Click on install button and then you'll see I agree button. Click on this and then you have to click on next. After this, BlueStacks will open and will look like this. After opening BlueStacks, you just have to search here Granny, and here you'll see the second one, Granny. Just click on this and then it will open Granny game. Just click on install from Google Play and it will install it in your PC. You just have to run it as administrator and hopefully your game should be working fine. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.